To prolong the life of the WD-1, you should use the bags and filters properly, while also replacing them as they become used. This guide covers how to do that and how to set up the vacuum for wet use. Dry vacuuming calls for the blue motor filter and the vacuum bag, while the use of wet requires removing those and only using the sponge filter. To remove the blue motor filter and replace it, just pull it until it comes off, and to replace, stretch the elastic and push it over the motor. The bag pulls out to remove. And to reinstall it, just align the shapes and push it over the inlet. If you have to vacuum water or moisture, remove the bag and dry filter and install the sponge filter only. This will allow you to safely vacuum liquids. When you're finished and are ready to go back to dry vacuuming, empty the water from the bin, dry it out, remove the sponge filter and reinstall the bag and dry filter once the inside of the vacuum is totally dry.